Realme launched its new 5G phone in India called Realme 15T, with AI features. Now let's have a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The Realme 15T 5G features a tall 6.57-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display, with up to 120Hz refresh rate, and up to 4000 nits of peak brightness support. Under the hood, the phone comes powered by MediaTek Dimensity 6400 Max chipset, paired with Mali G57MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 8 or 12 GB of LPDDR4X RAM that can be extended up to 14 GB by using internal storage, and it has 128 or 256 GB of UFS 3.1 storage, which is expandable up to 2 TB via hybrid microSD card slot. As per the optics, the Realme 15T 5G sports a 50-megapixel main camera on the rear, with f1.8 aperture, along with the 2-megapixel secondary lens with f2.4 aperture. For selfies, it has 50-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center, with f2.4 aperture. The device comes backed by a massive 7000 mAh battery, with 60 watts fast charging support, and it runs on Android 15, based on Realme UI 6.0 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP69 certified for dust and water resistance, and it also includes a large VC heat dissipation system to keep the device cool in extreme conditions. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, IR blaster, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 158.36 by 75.19 by 7.89 millimeters, and it weighs around 183 grams. So now let's explore the pricing details of this smartphone. The Realme 15T 5G has been priced in India for 8GB plus 128GB storage variant at 20,999 Indian rupees, while the 8GB plus 256GB storage model is priced at 22,999 Indian rupees, and the higher variant with 12GB plus 256GB storage option is priced at 24,999 Indian rupees. The smartphone is now available for purchase in the country in flowing silver, silk blue, and soot titanium color options. So, what do you guys think of this Realme 15T 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.